Hey everyone, if you want to manage Chrome extensions like a pro in 2026, keep your browser fast, clean, and secure. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide. First, open the Extension Manager inside Google Chrome. This is where you control all installed extensions in your browser. Next, organize your extensions properly. Pin only the important ones to your toolbar and hide the rest to keep things clean. Now, remove extensions you don't use. Having too many extensions can slow down your browser performance. After that, check permissions carefully. I mean, only allow extensions access to websites they actually need. Next, disable heavy extensions when you don't need them. This helps improve speed and reduces browser load. Now, keep all your extensions updated. Updates fix bugs, improve performance, and increase security. Finally, use Chrome profiles for better organization. This allows you to separate work, study, and personal browsing setups easily. So yeah, that's how you manage Chrome extensions like a pro in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your browser will stay fast, organized, and secure. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy guides.